Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I need to drill a few holes in doors for the European hinge, but I don't have a jig. I used to drill it by hand, but chances are that you can make a big mess. You'll know if you've tried to drill it by hand. So I decided to make myself a small little jig. It was very quick to make out of scrap wood that I had lying around. So I'll quickly show you how to make it. So my hole is done. There's 5 millimeters at the back there. I've drawn my center line. Now I want to cut it 100 millimeters to the bottom or top and bottom top, so that I have basically my wood is then 200 millimeters long, but then I have 100 and 100 because that's how I normally drill my doors. 100 from the top, 100 from the bottom. Just a pointer here. My bit is designed, if it's flush with the wood, then it's the correct depth for the hinge. So use your template to drill about 5 millimeters into the wood and then remove the template, and then you already have a guide and your drill bit will stay in the correct position and you drill to the right depth. You can play around with this if you make it, but that's how it is, and this is how my bit looks like.